If I could do only one thing to make my new book idea the best that it could be, this is what I would do. Books are all about story, and story is all about people and personal connection and the journey that a character takes from point A to point B. So the thing that I'm going to be doing is figuring out my character's core motivation. What is the thing that is plaguing them in their lives so much that they can't get it out of their heads? They want something, or they need to solve something. There's something going on in their lives that is making them unhappy. And that's why the inciting incident comes along and says, I can solve that problem for you. That's the call to adventure, right? That's the motivation that gives the character the okay in their mind to step out of the status quo and do something that is beyond their comfort zone. It's not like an alien just walks up to a character and says, come help me defeat the big evil bad guy, you person. They come up and say, hey, come help me beat this evil bad guy because it will make your life better, or it will solve this problem, or it will get you what you want, whatever it is. That's why finding the character's core motive and what they really want is so important. You tailor the story to the character. And that's what I do in my own writing. That's what I do in the Mark of Creation Chronicles series, and I really think it works. I have a little workbook on my website if you want to really go in depth on this, but really it's just about finding the thing that your character wants and trying to fix it for them. But there is a caveat to this, and I can do a part 2 about it because if I did it here, the video would be super long, but it's whether or not what your character really wants is what your character really needs. So if you want that part 2, click that follow button, comment telling me you want to know what's up, and we can do a part 2 to this. If not, check out my books, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!